Hey guys, it's Andrew the King here. Today we are playing with Magna Tiles. Just got these.
I don't know if I would leave it in there all the time, but I guess you could at least put it in and see what it says.
So let's see in the book what we could make.
But I don't know.
I don't know if it says
So we could make.
Sometimes I'll have it on 350 and then I'll take something out and I have to put something on 400.
So what, Christmas Day, you gotta work a double?
We could make one of these. We could make. Wait, what can we make?
You should have said no.
Unless the.
What does this make it?
Like, it won't register until.
But especially.
Like, let's say 350 and then it won't register in the middle.
So you can make a square right now. That's what this is doing, I think.
Especially
Right?
the electric ones.
What is this book? Oh, here we go. Okay. You could make.
You're not even on the camera anymore.
You could. Sorry, guys. You can make. You can make that,
Down and to your left. To your left a little bit. There you go. Perfect.
I just feel like I don't.
I just went to my right.
Yes, you're always trying to.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we can make this,
After a while, you
and
know.
we should make this. Let's make this. We can make that right there. Let's make it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's see what we need. So we need.
Yeah, so.
So
It's
I guess
weird
it's
how.
better that it's hot and not cold.
Yeah, exactly. So you're not putting it in there for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
so we need 8 triangles and 18 squares. Let's get 18 squares. 1, 2,
Yeah, I mean, I cook, so.
3, 4,
Literally, the oven is
5,
constantly.
6,
It's like your best friend.
And it's not like there is.
7, 8, 9, 10. 10 right here.
Commercial oven, you know. Because I used to work with
I
like.
want to put. Oh God. You know when Blake wasn't
And,
here. He's good to
she used to
smell.
bake, it was.
You smell that yet?
Had coffee
No.
there, like specialty coffee.
Not yet?
11,
Had baked goods in
Lucky.
stores.
12,
Come in and look around and they
13.
sell little,
Oh man,
Yeah.
And so she baked.
something died.
14,
Her oven went up. Like they had, she thought they had a really good oven, and then it went like it's only 6
And-
years or something.
15,
And the guy
16,
that
17.
said, well,
Now one more.
You're not. You don't
Okay, where is it?
oven. It's not really made for that.
Oh, it's
18.
confusing all the time.
We got
right?
18
Yeah.
squares right here.
Even though you think you're
And
not
now
making
all we need is
but you really
some
are.
triangles.
Yeah, exactly. They're probably thinking dinner.
Now we need
Yeah, or like
8
occasional
triangles. So
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I can see that.
One,
I mean,
She baked,
2,
you know, things.
3,
Every single day for something. So there.
yeah,
4,
it
5,
adds up, right?
6,
Was just, even though they
7,
had a
8.
really good- I think it was like a Maytag Gemini or something.
Oh wait, that's it. Okay, 8. Okay, now let's move all the other stuff out of the way.
They're expensive. Like.
And let me bring this camera over.
They're not
Wait.
cheap, I know.
I mean, if
So-
you get like a real cheap
Yeah.
one, you're looking at like $300 to $500. And that's
So that's
no,
so we got
I mean, you get
Yeah.
top of the line, like you said, like
Got-
anything.
Yeah.
You're looking at 2,000.
we got
That's crazy.
Yeah.
this
Especially when they go on you. I mean, that's.
much
It's more payment.
7 seasons.
squares
That's what I saw.
and
online.
this much triangles.
Yeah, well,
They need
I-
8 of these.
When I looked,
So you could
I
count
didn't
1,
see
2,
all
3,
7
4,
at
5,
once,
6,
but
7,
they
8.
had
I'll let
1
you
to
count.
4 and then 5 to 7.
Okay,
So-
that should be enough. Then we could count
They
all
may
of
have-
these.
Yeah, they may have sold out of them.
You could-
I figured
you-
as long as it was all
you-
7 though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I
You could
always
count
said.
when you
Yeah, I don't know.
you hold on, guys. You could count.
In like bundling, right? I think it was the same thing.
You could count them when you subscribers or people that are watching. You could count yourself.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Now we are gonna make it, as the rule book says. We're gonna need to make that shape and to make that. As you can see, look.
Cops are not, doing anything.
8 triangles. It's supposed to be 8. It's broken, kind of. And I'm supposed to say 18 squares. So that's what you need. And now we are going to make it.
Yeah.
So I'll just record that right now. So we're gonna just do this. So go. We'll do it right now. Come on. Hold on, guys. I have to pause. Okay, we're back. I just had to spread them all out.
Yeah, I do that
Okay,
sometimes.
now we need.
The
Let's count.
Yeah, I do my music, but then I play that.
So we need.
Oh, you can't play that?
It's not on the internet.
Oh, I see.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sorry if I'm very shaky. So
Yeah, I
1,
don't hook up
2,
to the
3,
internet anymore.
4, 5, 6,
When I
7.
played World of Warcraft,
You're gonna need
they don't
7
hook it up like
of
that.
these squares across one row, and then we'll count the next row when we're done. Right now I have 4. Now let's count.
Stupid.
So
I know that if you,
Hold on.
if you play games,
So
they
now
can get into
we're gonna
the system through the
just-
game into your network address. I mean, I guess someone would really want to do it, but I guess
now we're just
could
gonna
if they wanted
Well,
to.
their systems have crashed though, right?
go now.
People did go on like sites and got viruses,
Really?
Okay.
Yeah,
right? What, I mean, I know they were shopping.
coupon sites.
Huh? Coupon sites.
Yeah.
That's how long it is. So 1,
They would have like an
2,
item. They don't have an
three.
The thing says you have to download this program to get the
1,
coupons.
2,
Fucking
3,
idiots
4,
who download the
5,
program.
6.
Oh my
So
god, I
one,
think that all this drinking the party.
1, 2,
But
3,
they do have to download the program
4,
to get the coupons,
5,
you know? That's
6.
the whole point.
There.
I'm not saying I would do that work.
Now
I've never
let's
done
count
it. I wanna do it,
2,
but I
7.
want the
Wait.
coupons, but I know that
Wait,
I mean,
ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
have the software to get the coupons.
Yeah, but see,
They
that's,
probably use
Come
legit
on.
ones and
On.
they know it's mostly women.
Just add one more square, then we're almost there.
Those coupon sites.
Oh yeah, look.
So that's
Say
why
hi to
they
the camera,
hack them
Mama.
all the time.
Look at them.
No.
Look.
I did never do it.
Okay, fine. But look what we're making. We're making.
You hear all these
Oh, hold on.
people go to the store
Right now we're making this.
yeah,
Very cool.
because they
So we gotta make that, and we have one row right here. Then we have to make that.
Everything came off.
Okay.
All kinds
Right
of free things,
there.
all kinds of other things.
I mean there. Okay, so
And you know what? It's literally a job in
Yeah.
itself. Just doing
1,
that.
2,
That's most
3,
of those coupons go
4,
to redeem them
5,
in
6,
companies
7,
like that.
8.
It's not a real coupon.
Now you're gonna do the same thing as you
That
did
would
with
be-
Like on
this.
Facebook, people post these things, Walmart, $50 free gift card and all that. It's not real.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
I know. I get those on Facebook all the time.
Okay,
Well,
so
I mean,
you're gonna take it. So you're gonna count 1, 2, 3. Then that means, and then if this, if there's
Yeah.
1,
yeah, that would be
2, 3. If there's
I mean, I think
3,
if that was a real
if
coupon, I
there's
would print that as many as I could.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you get one, you get one.
Sorry guys, I just covered my
If you like
finger
this
with the
site
camera
and
lens.
share
Whoops,
it,
sorry.
like,
So
you have a chance to win
if you
$500,000.
find
Oh yeah, I
One,
see those too.
one,
Enter the
2,
giveaway,
3.
the drawings. Yeah.
if you find
I
1,
just
2,
stole your
3,
information is what I-
that
Yeah,
means
they
that
want you to
this
try to get
shall be the middle, and then
they want
1,
you to
2,
subscribe or follow them.
3.
That's like all those quizzes.
So now,
Yeah.
No.
so now you're gonna take the middle, and you're gonna make 7, but it's gonna be 8.
People are
Thank
like,
you, Mama.
Zen.
You're
People
so
look at that.
pretty.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I could show you on camera.
I don't want to.
You've been on camera before.
I don't
I
want
wouldn't do that.
You've shown your face on the
If you
camera
go on the
before already.
internet-
I never want to.
If you go
1,
on the
2,
internet,
3,
they
4.
know all about you. If you go on the internet. You don't even have to go to websites anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go.
They do.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah, well, like you could look up
1, 2,
something
3,
and then you
4,
log into
5,
Facebook
6,
and
7.
the whole side is ads of everything
Wait,
that you
where's
just
the-
looked
okay.
at.
Exactly.
8. So
That's how it is, yeah.
That started like
That's
a year,
what you
year and a
should
half, 2
get.
years ago now, because,
to
yeah,
get
one day,
like that
I was
and
like you
that.
said, like, I was,
That's what you should get.
searching for, like,
Thank
tools
you,
on-
Mom.
On Facebook,
That's what you should get right now when you're done.
It's crazy how they.
And now we just have to add the triangles.
Do you know
And make sure you use square. So this is Mom's making them. So this is how you make them. That's how. This is how you make them. So you're gonna.
Because not only like can you not like use the internet, like
You're gonna
we actually
hold on. You're gonna
made,
take
like, a lot
a
of things
square
that you
and
don't-
add two triangles on the side, like that and
I
that.
mean, you need a-
So it
have
becomes
big
that.
phones, or really landlines.
Triangle right there. No,
Yeah, they pretty much
square right here, triangle
cell
and
providers,
triangle.
They pretty much can control
So,
the market. Know where you
Then,
are.
as it looks, you're gonna put it in the corners.
See when you mold stuff, you can make it hard and keep it forever.
Yep, kinetic foam. We shall do that another video, but not today, because we're doing magnet tiles. So then, if you want to see it, we're gonna have to do it in the future, probably soon.
Very easy to get into that.
Probably not yesterday.
Software, that means there's people out there.
Maybe
that know the ins and outs.
maybe after I open all my presents and my parents open all their presents from me on Christmas Day. After that, we'll do the kinetic foam video.
Okay. I'll help
So
with
this is
that.
why you
Yep.
can't
So
use the internet.
we're just gonna
Here,
take.
They wrote
We're
the
gonna
rest
take
of
this right here. Then we're gonna. Come on, hold on.
Oh, it's up to you.
Okay, so
Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. Only if you want to. You don't have to.
help, Mom. Hold on. Okay, never mind. So
You got it?
then you're gonna connect it in the corner like that,
things like yeah,
and then you're gonna connect. Hold on, wait, Mom, can you move your arm real quick? Mom, can you please? Okay, there you go. So then you're gonna have to keep
He's talking
doing
to you.
what?
You said-
Cool.
Yeah. So then you're gonna. I'm making a video right there. Look, see, there's me, Pa. That's my second. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
back away. Hang on.
So yeah. So it should look like. Yeah. Can you just fix that? Should look like
Yeah.
that. That's what it should look like. And then we're gonna fold it up into that.
Exactly.
So let's do it.
They put the salt in it no matter what. I think it's
So see how the fold. I think. Hold on. I'm gonna have to hold. Hold on. I'm gonna have to pause.
So we have to
Okay, we're
Oh,
back.
yeah, why would we leave now then?
Now I have Mama.
Yeah, so
With
here, you want to
us.
start taking stuff
Yeah,
out of
that
the car?
takes fun. I didn't know that he had to leave that.
No, it's alright. I mean,
No,
have
you
to
want to
work
like.
out.
Now,
It's alright. Andrew work all day
Let's
too, so
do
it's fine. Believe
Yeah,
me.
no, it's fine. I mean,
now we're gonna have
especially
to
if you do the
fold it up.
overnight.
Yeah.
I want to get some sleep.
So
Yeah, that sucks. So.
wait, I'm gonna have to hold the camera somewhere.
My brother was
Hold
coming, and he said he kept waking up because he was worried that
I need to be like somewhere up here.
So what? You want me to fold it? You said?
I got
No, I want you to wait.
What? You want me to hold it while you do it? All right,
Yeah.
come on then. 'Cause we're gonna leave. So.
Sure. Mom's having the camera, so we're probably gonna have to go like that, and then fold it.
oh god.
Hold on, guys. It's kind of hard.
You can do it.
There.
Yeah, you sound like you're sick.
he sounds better than he sounded this morning, though.
That's good at least.
He sounds better.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Just hold on.
Let's watch Mom do it. So let's see how Mom does it. Just gotta fix that real quick. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, that's the big
This is Magnetiles. Magnetiles. This video is sponsored by Magnetiles. Okay, so
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool.
so
It's really hard.
yeah, now you have. Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
Did it.
I feel like
Is it magnets?
dumb. Yeah, so it's magnets on 4 sides. Yeah.
Wow.
And
And you were saying that was no good. He didn't want to buy this one.
Oh no, Andrew actually wanted this. Yeah, that's one of the things I sent you. It's the same kind of thing.
I saw it on the TV, and they said it because it was like one of those toys that are recommended by this thing called STEM,
Yeah,
which
for
is like science, math, something or other.
wait, this one.
That apparently American children are like lower than the rest of the
Guys,
world.
we are trying
Oh, really?
to do this, but it is apparently breaking.
To get them
When?
interested and stuff.
Yeah, yeah, I
Okay.
get ya.
Fixed it.
Yeah, I could see
Oh
it.
my, no.
Because this is definitely all very like technical and
Yeah.
like Play-Doh and that kind of stuff.
This is hard.
But that, I saw that on TV, and they
That's what we made.
occasional kind of
Almost made it.
So I saw
That's
it at
what we
Kohl's,
made.
and I was there, and I was like, I'm like,
See, I think it's
Oh, man.
I know, right?
You also can't put magnets near it, just so you know. If you put magnets near the tablet, it'll ruin it
That's
forever.
why the screen cracked.
Oh.
He brought it in the supermarket, dropped it, ran the corner,
oh.
grabbed the whole center of it. The
Yeah.
one
What
side
was
got
that?
Right across the whole screen.
And that was before I even
No!
gave him it to like have.
have to
Like that was
rebuild it.
actually when I was still using it, and I was like, oh thanks. Now it's good.
Pause.
This
Well,
is so
Merry
hard
Christmas.
to do this. This is so hard.
Either.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I cannot figure out how exactly you're supposed to
Let Andrew do it. He has, he's a little bit older than you.
be quiet. You stop over there.
I'm worse than her. You don't want me to do it?
No.
Worse than her.
Yeah, no, that's not true. You can figure it out too. We just never did before.
We have
I would
to
love to see him come
get
do
that
it.
square.
Oh
They
man.
actually give you the things how to make
Come on.
Yeah. But it doesn't show you like step by step. It shows you like the first part to make, and then it says fold it, but it doesn't tell you how to fold it.
Oh, God.
So this is
It
like
doesn't tell
not
you how to
making
fold it.
sense.
So how do you fold it?
Magnets are not good enough.
No, they seem like they are. Like once you actually get it, like it'll definitely.
Oh my
you know,
gosh, I
be
stepped on
fine.
the other
It's
one.
hard to get it.
Wow.
Don't kick it.
Now you just lost pieces.
Why
No.
would you do that?
I didn't lose pieces, I found it.
Andrew, don't do that though.
Sorry.
Okay. No, that's not how you treat your toys, right?
I'm sorry. Okay, here. This
Some
is
kids don't have any toys. You're lucky that you do, and you're gonna treat them like that. That's crazy.
So-
Wait,
it's turning into something else.
I got it.
It's almost
Crazy.
Shoot.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you. That's exactly what I needed.
He's all over you.
Thanks. Did you feel that?
we're almost there.
Did you? No?
We're almost there,
You're not
guys.
answering me? No, you're ignoring me?
Ew, stop.
Uh,
And we're
Ew, stop. Ew, stop. What's up, dog?
and we will also be using
There,
this
look, I got it.
little alien guy. Wait, Mom's got it. Mom's got it.
What?
A hamster ball.
Whoa. Wait, maybe we could. Wait, can we just take out this one and put the alien one in it?
The alien one. Yeah, but it's not gonna stay like this. We have to take it apart to put it back in the box. So it doesn't really matter anyway.
So there's it with the alien in it.
Yeah, and then stop with the
Spinny.
tablet, okay? There's enough for the tablet after that.
Spinny. Yeah. Okay. Now let's add some detail to it. Wait, no, not.
Detail to it.
No, give me some squares. Oh, come on. Come on, guys. It's so hard. Hard.
Well, I know why. I know.
I made a little roof. I made a little roof on it. And the alien's peeking out.
Yeah, let's. Come on, no, we're taking this apart now, okay?
Come on, I'm
Yeah,
just
we're
gonna.
gonna do.
Yeah, we gotta go.
I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
you
wait.
can put
I'm
yours-
almost done.
you can put
I need 2 triangles. Hold on. Then we're gonna take it apart. Okay.
How about we?
That's what I made. Little roof and there's and windows
Yeah,
with
so
alien.
Bill Terrell's
Now
really
ready?
sick.
Come on.
Comes in, he goes, oh, I've been on the antibiotics. I
Ready?
said, dude,
3,
you're still
2,
carrying
1.
the fucking bug.
Yeah, exactly. He's still getting all you guys said.
Andrew. Don't
Like
don't
you
take
can't
it
do
down
it until
like
you're
that.
not contagious anymore.
Okay, we destroyed
Comes in
it.
the dispatch room and sitting
We
down and,
destroyed it.
Watch
We destroyed it. Okay, bye-bye. See you in another video, guys. I'm gonna have my name changed, not the Andrew King.
Like Stumbo.